The Indian Child Welfare Act, referred to as ICWA, was passed in 1978 in response to the alarmingly high rate of removal of American Indian children from their homes and tribal communities. Most of these children were placed into non-Indian homes. This could be seen as a continuation of the forced removal of Indian children from their families through the boarding school era. Therefore, the federal policy behind the ICWA is to protect the best interests of Indian children and to promote the stability of Indian tribes and families. The ICWA has requirements that apply to state child custody proceedings that involve an Indian child who is a member or who is eligible for membership in a federally recognized tribe. Some of these requirements include notice to the Indian child's tribe. And if a child must be placed out of home, then placement preferences must be followed. These placement preferences include placement with a family member, a tribal member, or another American Indian home. The ICWA is important because it shines a light on historical injustices. It recognizes the disproportionality present in the out-of-home placement of American Indian children. Our office has demonstrated its commitment to the Indian Child Welfare Act by the establishment of a specialty team of attorneys who handle ICWA cases and by supporting the Minnesota Indian Family Preservation Act that incorporates the ICWA into state law.